In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Kit plugin on WordPress page. If you are using WordPress and want to add a powerful email and landing page tool to your site, using the right plugin is the first step. Today, we will walk through it slowly and clearly, starting from the WordPress dashboard and ending when the plugin is ready to use. First, open your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. In that menu, click the section labeled Plugins. This area is where WordPress lets you manage add-ons for your website. When you click Plugins, you will typically see options for installed plugins and for adding new ones, depending on your dashboard layout. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct area, because the next actions depend on being in the Plugins section. Next, you will search for the specific plugin you need. Within the Plugins area, find the option to add a new plugin or to search for plugins. WordPress often provides a search field when you are browsing plugins. In the search box, type the plugin name: Kit, Nisar, Mizal, Nisu, Op, Mizal Marketing, Membership, Subscribers, and Landing Pages. After you type it, press Enter or click the search button to see the matching results. This search is important because it ensures you install the correct plugin and not a similar one. Now that you have the search results on screen, locate the correct plugin in the list. Look at the plugin name shown in the results and confirm it matches what you searched for. Then click the plugin entry so you can access its installation option. This small check helps you avoid installing the wrong plugin. It also helps you move smoothly into the installation step without getting lost in multiple similar results. After you have opened the plugin listing, the next step is to install it. Click Install Now. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin automatically. Depending on your internet speed and server performance, this may take a few seconds. While it installs, it is normal for the page to show progress or a loading message. Wait until WordPress finishes the installation, because continuing too early can cause errors or incomplete setup. Once installation is complete, you will see an option to complete the setup. WordPress may show buttons such as Activate, or it may redirect you to configuration screens depending on the plugin. Follow the prompts that appear after installation. Complete the setup using the on-screen instructions, which typically guide you through connecting or configuring the plugin features for your site. Keep an eye on what the plugin requests, such as any initial preferences or setup steps it needs before you can start using it. As you complete the setup, make sure you review any settings that affect how the plugin works on your website. The goal here is to finish the initial configuration so the plugin is fully functional. If the plugin offers options for activation or for onboarding, take the time to complete them so you can start creating newsletter forms, email marketing features, membership tools, or landing pages as needed. Finally, after you complete the setup process, confirm that the plugin is ready. You can usually verify readiness by checking that the plugin shows as installed and active, or that it appears in your plugins list with an active status. This confirmation matters because it tells you the plugin has successfully been installed and is available for use on your WordPress site. If everything looks correct, you are done with the installation portion, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add the Kit plugin on your WordPress page, from opening the plugins menu to finishing the setup so you can move on to using it.